Welcome to Minute Chinese World. Good morning everyone. It is an honor to stand before you today as we gather to celebrate Gandhi Jayanti, the birth anniversary of one of the most iconic figures in the history of India and the world, Mahatma Gandhi. Every year on October 2nd, we remember and reflect on the life, teachings and contributions of this great soul who not only led India to freedom but also gave the world a timeless philosophy of truth, non-violence and compassion. Mahatma Gandhi, born Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi in 1869 in Porbandar, Gujarat, grew up with strong ethical and moral values instilled in him by his family. His early life, though humble, laid the foundation for the extraordinary path he was destined to follow. After studying law in London and later working in South Africa, Gandhi experienced first-hand the brutality of racial discrimination and colonial oppression. These experiences awakened him conscience and set him on the path towards social justice and activism. Gandhi was not a leader because he sought power or fame. He was a leader because he embodied the change he wished to see in the world. Through his philosophy of Satyagraha, which means the force of truth, Gandhi showed that real power lies in the hands of those who are committed to justice, peace and equality. Gandhi's greatest strength was his unyielding belief in non-violence or ahimsa. In a world filled with conflict, violence and war, Gandhi demonstrated that peaceful resistance could be the most powerful tool in the fight for freedom. He led the Indian freedom struggle not with weapons but with determination, unity and strength of his principles. Whether it was the famous Salt March of 1930 or the Quit India movement in 1942, Gandhi railed millions of Indians to stand up against British rule without resorting to violence. One of Gandhi's famous teachings is, "Be the change you wish to see in the world." These simple words carry profound wisdom. Gandhi believed that true change begins within each of us. If we want to create a world free from violence, hate and injustice, we must first embody those values in our daily lives. Whether it is showing kindness to our neighbors, standing up for the right of others, or working to eliminate inequality and poverty, every small action contributes to the larger movement for a better world. Moreover, Gandhi's idea of self-reliance or Swadeshi has an important place in today's world. He urged us to rely on our own strength and resources to promote local industries and to foster self-sufficiency. As we pay tribute to Bapu, as he was lovingly called, let us not simply remember him as a figure of past but as a source of inspiration for the future. In conclusion, as we celebrate Gandhi Jayanti, let us pledge to keep his legacy alive. Let us commit it ourselves to the principle of truth, non-violence and justice. If you like my video, then please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.